kanina pa ako naghanap din susuotin. Wala akong maisip suotin. Ngayong oras. Tapos magdadry pa ako ng hair. Ang tagal. Okay na yan. Diba? Pwede naman to. Mas ko yung legs. Yan. Ay, tatagalin. Magre-reply pa ako sa emails. Magagalit na yung mga clients natin. Next time, nakapantulog naman. Yan, malamang sila naman. Masakit ako. Wala ko. Okay naman, diba? Balit naman ako. Medyo citro lang. Maganda naman yung topic natin. Walang kailangang significant capital. Hindi mo kailangan ng mga major assets. Hindi mo kailangan ng may napakagabong credit sa bangko. Mga misconception lang yan. Paano nga ba kumita sa real estate? Stay tuned! Welcome to my channel, Property Goals Worldwide, where your dream homes doesn't have to be just a dream, but a property goals to achieve. Ako po si Joy Bontia, a property specialist at your service. And today, we are talking about paano ba kumita sa real estate. Ang real estate market may actually have produced more wealth than any other industry. Pero marami pa rin ang skeptical about entering the market. Kagaya ng tatay mo, ng nanay mo, yung kapatid mong palibre ng palibre sa'yo, yung boyfriend mo, asawa mo. Akala ng marami, kailangan mag-start ka with some sort of capital. Pero, hindi naman yun yung case palagi. The one super magical power na kailangan mo is just to find the money. And we don't have to talk much about opening up an escrow here. Kung alam mo ang ginagawa mo, kayang-kaya mong makagawa ng pera in real estate. Kahit nagsisimula ka pa lang. You just have to know how creative financing works. Paano? Number one is the appreciation value. This is the most common way to make money sa real estate. Example niyan, pag binili mo during the pre-construction or the pre-selling phase. Yung ginagawa pa lang, why do you need to take advantage of this? I know a lot of people aren't appreciating yung mga hinuhukay pa lang na developments. Kung saan mababa pa ang value. Kasi nga, judgmental ka. Example natin. Diba, yung mga parents natin ngayon, naririnig natin sila, nagkukwento na yung mga lola, lolo natin noong araw, kalabaw lang ang pamalit sa lupa. Ganun lang ang value ng property noon. But it's true, di ba? Or let's take another true fact na in New Manila, noon around 1980s, ang 400 to 500 square meters na property was just around what? 500,000 pesos lang? To maximum 900,000 pesos. But when you sell it today, around 30 years later, you can sell it to around 30 million pesos, mababa na. Baka nga 50 million pesos pa to 60 million. O, ang BGC. Alti mo na ayaw mo mag-invest noon. May 2 to 3 pa lang na ginagawang buildings. Wala ka nang mabibiling property within the area that's around 2 million pesos. Kaya yung bumili ng property noon na ang sukat 45 to 100 plus square meters, natig around 1 to 2 million pesos lang, they're really gaining so much money right now. Look at what BGC is right now. Isa sa pinakamamahaling place to buy a property ngayon in the metro. Samantalang noon, Talahiliban. Talahiban. Talahib pa. Ganon. Sabi nga ng idol natin, si Kuya Ray Brown, sikat siya na realtor, the cheapest investment is always 5 years ago. Kaya yung Activa sa Cubao, under construction pa today, may 4 to 5 years pa bago ma-fully develop. It'll be such a great investment, lalo it's along EDSA lang siya. Study the history of Quezon City and its future developments going north. The build projects the MRT7 that will start from Bulacan and end near Tandang Sora area, passing through Novaliches, Fairview, Batasan at sa University of the Philippines. Nasa booming stage pa ang Quezon City going north, kaya hindi pa kasing mahal ng properties in Makati and in BGC. Pero, paano ba mag-invest in the pre-selling properties? Paano ko nasabing mura? At ano-ano ba ang mga requirements? Basta, kung may minimum 1 year ka na sa company na pinagtatrabahuan mo ngayon, whether Filipino ka or foreigner, ang bank financial firm approval natin, napakadali lang. You'll reserve a unit, for example, at around 20 to 50,000 pesos. Depende sa project, kung office space or residential in Quezon City ang bibilin mo. Marami tayong projects dyan, going north to Pampanga, to Tarlac. Siyempre, if you're looking to earn in the future naman at wala ka pang down payment, this will be a good start na for you. Magsasign ka lang ng purchase application form and the bank financial firm approval, proof na may work ka, yung certificate of employment, company ID mo, government-issued ID, driver's license, and passport. Ipasa mo lang yung copies nun, including the photo of receipt ng reservation fee that you've paid for. One of the nicest thing pa, i-assist ka ni company natin for bank financing application. Magkakandak sila ng pre-qualification. Pag na-approve ka, then tsaka ka palang mag-start, maghulog ng monthly equity mo. On buying a pre-selling period, wala kang down payments na kailangang bayaran na malaking amount. Kasi yung 10 to 20% for Filipino buyers or 20-30% equity down payment for foreign buyers. Halimbawa, 7 million yung worth ng property na bibilin mo. Cellphone ko. $7 million. Kukunin natin yung equity down payment of 20% equals 1.4 million minus the reservation fee of 20,000 pesos equals 1,380,000 pesos. Divide to example 4 years. Ilang months ba yung 4 years? 48 months. So yung 1,380,000 pesos divide to 48 months is at 28,700 pesos per month lang. And while waiting for it to be turned over, the appreciation value increases over time. Kung baga, binili mo at 7 million today, ng pa 28,000 ka lang per month, every year tumataas pang value, di ba? Number 2, earn in the form of rental. For both residential and commercial properties, whether short-term and long-term, you don't have to pay everything in one time. Yung turnover balance is loanable sa bank, so take advantage of that. While pinaupahan mo, yung income mo sa rental can make a use to pay your mortgage. Kaya pagdating ng time, it's another basket of income. Yung sweldo mo, maitatabi mo pang ipon, or pang tayo ng ibang negosyo, or another property investment ulit that can give you dagdag income, diba? Ang property kasi, isa sa advantage niya, di mo kailangan tutukan araw-araw. Very ideal siya while you're still busy with your current job. Di kagaya ng ibang business na dapat talaga hands-on ka. Pangatlo, pwede mong i-resell in the future. Again, ang property values increase due to location and developments. Kaya the best time to invest is now while ongoing pa ang developments. Fourth, become our marketing partner. Meron tayong 175 plus projects nationwide. Yes, maraming condominiums in the metro and in the provinces. But we do have house and lots too from south to north in Cavite, for example, Laguna, Batangas, Tagaytay, Bulacan, Pampanga, Tarlac, Rizal, Cebu, Zamboanga, Davao, beach resorts in Palawan. Meron tayong projects dyan. Farmlots, condotel, name it. Kahit sinong kakilala mo from anywhere in the Philippines or worldwide, we have something in store for you to offer. And earn 3.8% from each buyer you refer. Just DM me on our page, Property Goals Worldwide, on how to become our international and local affiliates. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button and notification bell so you won't be missing any of my next videos. Again, my name is Joy Bondi, a property specialist at your service. Bye!